We're not in the business of owning equipment, we're in the business of building buildings. Hi, I'm Vance Lancaster, one of the founders of LB Construction, Lancaster Burns Construction. So we're just about 31 years in the business. First of all, most of the work we do is commercial. I tell people we build everything from gas station kiosks to 20-story buildings and everything in between. So we've been with ReadyArc for about 12 years now. And prior to moving to the lease program, we owned all of our equipment, shop and field. We were at this point where it was either invest the dollars to buy all new equipment or go another route. And that lease program is frankly one of the benefits when you weigh a big purchase versus spreading that purchase out over, a 2 or 3 year lease term. We're not in the business of owning equipment, we're in the business of building buildings. When we lease equipment, and particularly lease from ReadyArc, all of our equipment needs are handled. I don't have to worry about availability, I don't have to worry about maintenance, I really don't even have to worry about how the equipment gets to site. ReadyArc works with us to get equipment to site if it's not already on one of our trucks. We also have the benefit of not having to put a large capital contribution into a purchase. With the lease program, we get to pay for the equipment over a period of time rather than writing a big check right up front. With the number of weld rigs that we have, it's a huge number, a very big number to have to put out, right up front to make that purchase. And with a lease program, you don't have to do that. It spreads that out, and you can keep those capital dollars for use in other areas of your business. We really rely on the expertise that we get from the ReadyArc team with regards to the equipment we use. My team can actually reach out to our ReadyArc rep and describe the project and the work that's involved, and the ReadyArc team will help build a package that suits the needs of that job, whether it's weld equipment or any other specialty equipment that's required, whether it's on site or in the shop. So that's a big benefit to us. We have a ReadyArc representative probably in our shop at least once a month looking at what we do, and what our shop needs are. And if there's any recommendations, they're made. And if they make sense to us, we make a change. And it does help us make new product selections, change the way we're leasing our equipment or what we're leasing to improve productivity. So yeah, we definitely rely on the expertise of the ReadyArc team. Yeah, I would say it's industry best, the best out there. We do know that the program allows us to continue to operate on a daily basis much more consistently. And that's really what it's all about, is being able to serve the client. Taking all the variables out of the equipment side of your business, the concerns, and just being able to run consistently without having that worry, it's a game changer. When you know that you've got a team of people that are going to step right in and make sure that you've got what you need almost immediately, and there's very little impact, it's huge. It makes you sleep better at night.